Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Everyday English Study for Everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Avetta. We are super pumped to have you here today.
Before we jump into today's awesome topic, we've got a tiny favor to ask. If you're enjoying our content and want to level up your English skills, please hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, and don't forget to smash that like button. It seriously helps other learners discover our channel. Oh, and drop a comment below telling us where you're listening from. We love hearing from you guys.
Absolutely. And if you know someone who's learning English, share this episode with them. Learning is always better with friends, right?
Couldn't agree more. All right, Alex, so what's our topic today? I'm already excited.
Today, we're diving into something super festive. We're talking about Christmas around the world and how different cultures celebrate this magical season.
Ooh, I love this. Christmas is celebrated so differently depending on where you are. It's fascinating.
Exactly. And here's the cool part. We'll teach you tons of useful vocabulary and expressions so you can talk about holidays in English like a pro.
Perfect. So grab your hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's get started.
Okay, Avetta, before we dive deep, let's go over some key vocabulary that our listeners might find useful.
Great idea. First up, the word celebrate. When you celebrate something, you mark a special occasion with enjoyable activities, like we celebrate Christmas with a big family meal.
Love it. Next word, festive. This adjective means cheerful and related to a celebration. You can say, the house looks so festive with all those decorations.
Ooh, here's a fun one, stockings. These are large socks that people hang up and they get filled with small gifts and treats. Not regular socks, though. These are special Christmas stockings.
Right. And speaking of gifts, we have exchange. When you exchange gifts, you give and receive presents with others. We always exchange gifts on Christmas morning.
Another important phrase, wrap presents. This means to cover gifts with decorative paper before giving them. The wrapping makes it a surprise.
And how about fireplace? That's the opening in a room where you can build a fire. Many Christmas stories mention cozy fireplaces.
Last one for now, midnight mass. This is a religious service that happens at midnight on Christmas Eve. It's a religious tradition in many countries.
Perfect. Now our listeners are armed with vocabulary. Let's use these words as we chat.
So, Alex, I'm curious. How did your family celebrate Christmas when you were growing up?
Oh man, Christmas was pure chaos in my house, in the best way possible. We're a loud family, and everyone would show up. Grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, you name it.
That sounds amazing. What was your favorite part?
Definitely Christmas morning. My siblings and I would wake up super early. I'm talking like 5 in the morning, and we'd sneak downstairs to peek at what Santa brought.
Wait, how old were you when you stopped believing in Santa?
Okay, don't judge me. I was like 10 years old. I was the last kid in my class to figure it out.
That's adorable. I think I was 7 when my older brother ruined it for me. Thanks, brother.
Siblings, right? But honestly, even after I knew the truth, Christmas morning stayed magical. The excitement of seeing wrapped boxes under the tree, the smell of cinnamon rolls baking in the kitchen.
Cinnamon rolls. Now you're making me hungry. In my family, we do things a bit differently. We celebrate on Christmas Eve more than Christmas Day.
Really? Tell me more.
Yeah, so on December 24th, we have this huge feast, and I mean huge. We start eating around 6 in the evening and don't finish until like 10 o'clock.
4 hours of eating? That's intense.
I know, but it's not just eating. We're talking, laughing, telling stories from the whole year. My grandmother always shares embarrassing stories about everyone.
Oh no, like what?
Last year, she told everyone about the time I tried to dye my hair at home and it turned orange, right there at the dinner table, in front of my new boyfriend.
That's brutal, but also kind of sweet. Those are the memories you'll treasure forever.
True. What about your Christmas dinner? What do you eat?
We always have roasted chicken, my mom's special recipe with herbs and garlic, plus mashed potatoes that are basically 50% butter.
The best way to make mashed potatoes.
Right? We also have glazed carrots, green bean casserole, and these amazing dinner rolls that my aunt brings. They're like little clouds of bread.
Stop, you're making me hungry again. We usually have fish on Christmas Eve. It's a tradition in many European countries.
What kind of fish?
Carp, mostly. My dad goes to the market a few days before Christmas and brings home a live carp. We keep it in the bathtub.
Wait, what? In the bathtub? You're joking.
I'm completely serious. It swims around in there for like 2 days. We can't take showers. We have to use my neighbor's bathroom.
That is wild. I've never heard of that tradition.
It's actually pretty common where I'm from. Some families even name the fish and then feel bad about eating it later.
That's kind of sad, but also hilarious. Do you name yours?
We used to when I was little. One year we named him Bob. Then we had to eat Bob for dinner. I cried.
Poor Bob. Okay, let's talk about something less traumatic. What about decorations?
Oh, I love decorating. My mom is obsessed with Christmas decorations. Our house looks like a Christmas store exploded inside it.
That's the best description ever.
We have 3 different nativity scenes, like 5 wreaths, candles everywhere, and probably 1,000 ornaments on the tree.
3 nativity scenes? That seems like overkill.
One is traditional, one is modern, and one is made of chocolate.
Made of chocolate? Can you eat it?
Technically, yes, but we never do. It's been the same chocolate nativity scene for like 15 years. Probably not safe to eat anymore.
Definitely not. We keep our decorations pretty simple. Just one tree, some lights on the house, and a wreath on the front door.
When do you put up your tree?
Usually the first weekend of December. We make it a whole event. We play Christmas music, drink hot apple cider, and argue about where to put the star on top.
Why do you argue about the star?
Because my dad insists on putting it on crooked every year. He says it has character. We say it looks ridiculous.
Family traditions are so funny. Every family has their weird thing.
Speaking of traditions, do you guys do anything special on Christmas morning?
Well, we sleep in. Since we stay up late on Christmas Eve, nobody wakes up early. We usually open presents around noon.
That's so different from my family. We're all awake by 6 at latest.
6 in the morning? That's torture.
But it's exciting. We gather in the living room, still in our pajamas, and my dad plays Santa. He hands out presents one by one.
Do you open them all at once or take turns?
We take turns. Each person opens one gift while everyone watches. Then we pass to the next person.
That must take forever.
About 2 hours, but it's nice because you really appreciate each gift. Plus, you get to see everyone's reactions.
That's actually really sweet. We just dive in and rip everything open in like 10 minutes. It's chaos.
I can imagine. Do you have any other special Christmas traditions?
Oh, we have this thing where we predict the future using walnuts. It sounds crazy, but hear me out.
Walnuts? This I gotta hear.
So, you crack open a walnut. If the nut inside is perfect and whole, you'll have good luck next year. If it's broken or bad, watch out.
And people actually believe this?
Well, it's more for fun, but my grandmother takes it very seriously. She cracks like 20 walnuts to make sure she gets a good one.
That's cheating the system.
Right? But she's 80 years old, so we let her cheat. What about you? Any unusual traditions?
We have this thing where we hide a pickle ornament in the Christmas tree.
A pickle? Like the vegetable?
Yeah, well, it's a pickle-shaped ornament. It's green and blends in with the tree. Whoever finds it first on Christmas morning gets an extra gift.
That's so random. Why a pickle?
Honestly, I have no idea where this tradition came from. We've just always done it.
I love it. It's quirky. Does it ever cause fights between siblings?
Oh, absolutely. My brother and I used to race down the stairs to find it. One year, we both grabbed it at the same time, and it broke in half.
Who got the extra present?
We both did. Mom felt bad about the broken pickle.
Smart negotiating.
You know what's cool? How different countries celebrate Christmas in their own unique ways.
Yes, like in Australia, people have Christmas barbecues on the beach because it's summer there.
That blows my mind. Christmas on the beach? Meanwhile, I'm freezing and shoveling snow.
I know. And in Japan, people eat KFC for Christmas dinner. It's like a huge tradition there.
KFC? Like fried chicken from the fast food place?
Yup, apparently you have to order weeks in advance because everyone wants it. There are huge lines.
That's fascinating. I wonder how that tradition started.
There's actually a whole marketing campaign behind it from decades ago. It just stuck.
What about in Latin America? I've heard they have some cool traditions.
Oh, yeah. In Mexico, they have these parties called posadas for 9 nights before Christmas. People go from house to house singing and asking for shelter, like Mary and Joseph did.
That's beautiful. It really connects to the religious story.
And in Venezuela, people roller skate to church on Christmas morning.
Roller skate? To church?
Yes, they close the streets so people can skate safely. Can you imagine?
That sounds incredibly fun. We should start that tradition here.
I'd fall on my face before I even got there.
In Iceland, they have 13 Santa Clauses, called the Yule Lads. They each come on different nights and leave gifts or play pranks.
13 Santas? That's either amazing or overwhelming.
Right? And they have names like Door Slammer and Sausage Swiper.
I love how creative these traditions are.
So, Iveta, how has Christmas changed for you now that you're an adult?
Oh man, it's so different. When I was a kid, Christmas was all about receiving gifts. Now it's all about giving them and stressing about whether people will like what I bought.
So true. And the budget. Christmas is expensive.
Right? I have to start saving money in October just to afford everything.
What's your strategy for gift buying?
I try to shop early, but I always end up doing everything the last week before Christmas. The stores are packed, everyone's stressed.
Classic panic shopping.
Exactly. Last year, I literally wrapped presents at 11 p.m. on Christmas Eve.
I did that too, using newspaper because I ran out of wrapping paper.
The struggle is real.
Do you do online shopping for Christmas?
More and more every year. It's so much easier, but there's something nice about walking through stores and seeing all the festive displays.
I agree. Plus, you can grab a peppermint latte while shopping.
Yes! Holiday drinks are the best part of the season.
Speaking of which, what's your favorite Christmas drink?
Mulled wine. We make it with red wine, oranges, cinnamon, and cloves. It's warm and spicy and perfect for cold nights.
That sounds delicious. We make eggnog in my family.
Eggnog is so interesting. I've tried it, but I'm not sure how I feel about drinking something that thick.
It's definitely an acquired taste. You either love it or hate it.
What about Christmas movies? What do you watch?
Oh, I'm all about the classics. I watch It's a Wonderful Life every single year.
That's the black and white one, right?
Yep, it's old, but it gets me emotional every time.
I love the newer comedies. The Holiday is my go-to. Kate Winslet and Cameron Diaz swapping houses for Christmas? Perfect.
That's a good one. What about those cheesy Hallmark Christmas movies?
Oh, I'm guilty. I watch them and I know exactly how they're going to end, but I watch them anyway.
They're like comfort food for your brain.
Exactly. Sometimes you just want something predictable and happy.
Well, Iveta, I think we've covered a lot of ground today.
We really have. From family traditions to celebrations around the world, we've talked about it all.
And hopefully our listeners have learned some great vocabulary and expressions to talk about Christmas in English.
Now it's your turn, everyone. We want to hear from you.
Yes, drop a comment below and tell us, what's one unique Christmas tradition from your country or family?
Use English, of course. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just practice and have fun with it.
We read every single comment and we love learning about different cultures and traditions.
Before we go, please remember to subscribe to Everyday English Study for Everyone if you haven't already.
Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
And give this video a thumbs up. It helps us create more content for awesome learners like you.
Share this with your friends, family, or classmates who are learning English. Let's build a community of learners together.
All right, everyone, we hope you have an amazing holiday season, whatever and however you celebrate.
Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, English is a journey, not a destination.
We'll catch you in the next episode.
Happy learning, everyone. Bye.